Welcome to the newly opened Hola Lecture Hall series. From this issue onwards, we will focus on typical tool cases, explain the cutting process, processing difficulties, and solutions, bring you to intuitively understand the core points of tool processing. In this issue, we take the tapered ball head tool as an example to demonstrate. First, select the machining tool type, then enter the geometric parameter setting interface. At this time, it is necessary to strictly follow the drawing specification, accurately configure data in geometric parameters, cutting edges, bars, and clamping options. Then enter the settings of the tool grinding step. Select Tool Groove X process. For tool types such as unequal spiral and taper milling cutters, use the tool slot X function to adjust the chip foot more conveniently. And tooth chip foot X can be used to machine straight rake face. Finally, we match the appropriate grinding wheel specification for each process. Fine adjustment of processing parameters for each step. The simulated machining path of the funnel generated tool. It should be noted that if the true roundness of the cutting tool is deviated during debugging, adjustable by radius correction in geometric data. For specific modification of the orientation, please refer to the indexing position of Zoller detection. Thank you for watching. See you next time.